Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the biggest growth levers for your Etsy shop, keyword analysis and SEO. Most new sellers upload products and hope for the best, but Etsy is a search-driven marketplace. Buyers type phrases into the search bar and Etsy decides which listings show up first. If your titles, tags and descriptions don't match what shoppers are searching for, you will stay invisible no matter how great your products are. That's why I use eRank. It pulls real data on search volume, competition, trending keywords, and gives you actionable insights to optimize your listings. In this video, I'm going to walk you through connecting your shop to eRank, auditing a listing that's not selling, using the AI listing helper to improve titles, and checking the health of a listing that already makes sales. By the end, you will see exactly how keyword research, SEO, listing health work together to grow your sales. Step 1. Connect Etsy shop to eRank. First, log into eRank and connect your Etsy shop. This takes a couple of clicks. But once it's done, you will unlock dashboards for keyword research, competitor tracking, listing audits, and more. Think of it like your Etsy SEO control panel. Step 2. Audit a listing with no sales. Let's start with one of my items that hasn't made any sales yet. Inside eRank, I click Listing Audit for that product. Immediately, I'll see search volume for my keywords, tag usage and ranking, category and attribute suggestions, competitor analysis, and so on. This shows me why it might not be performing. Maybe my keywords have low search volume or too much competition, or I'm missing attributes buyers expect. Step 3. Deeper keyword analysis. Before I rewrite anything, I also check eRank's keyword tool. Here I can type in a phrase and see monthly searches, competition level, and related keywords. I look for a mix of high volume and long tail keywords to give my product a chance to rank faster. This step alone can dramatically improve visibility. Step 4. Use AI listings helper to improve title. Now I'll run my product through eRank's AI listing helper. It analyzes the product details and suggests SEO-friendly titles and tags. Watch how quickly it generates multiple title options. I can pick the one that best matches my product and Etsy's search trends. I also test variations, one keyword heavy title, one more descriptive one. The AI helper makes it fast to A/B test and see what converts. Step 5. Check listing health for the item with sales. Now, let's look at one of my items that is making sales. I'm opening its listing health page in eRank. This shows me a health score based on keyword relevance, photo quality, shipping details, pricing consistency, and so on. Even if an item is selling, there's always room to improve. I can see which tags are bringing the most traffic, what buyers clicked on, and which keywords are slipping. Sometimes a tiny tweak like adding a trending keyword or refreshing photos can keep a bestseller on top. Step 6. Extra tips and takeaways. From this audit, I learned the item with no sales needed stronger titles and tags. The item with sales still needed health tweaks. My quick tips for you. Refresh your keywords seasonally. Use eRank's competitor keyword tool. Combine listing audits with SEO research before each holiday season. Don't guess your tags, use data. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Etsy, print on demand and digital marketing tips. And if you're serious about mastering Etsy SEO and want a step-by-step system to find buyer intent keywords that actually convert, grab my Buyer Keywords Profits Formula ebook. It's packed with strategies to research profitable keywords, craft winning titles, and increase your listings visibility and sales. You'll find the link in the description below. Download it, follow along, and start boosting your Etsy shop today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.